Welcome to Softmare YouTube channel for web development step-by-step interactive learning hands-on experience. Today we're going to look at how we can structure the content of the website, and our outline it will cover for how to write the paragraph, how to write a break line, how to insert a horizontal line, how to align the content, how to apply color, and working with images in an HTML page. So let's dive in from where we ended last time. We designed this structure of the web page, and our content was this is the first website. So we're going to design the we're going to structure the content of the website using this stand last time. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is, obviously you have to understand that for you to write the content must have a heading. Our website is going to be a car trading website, so we're going to say car trading website as our title, and we're going to put H1. So here the heading element ranges from H1 to H6, so you can choose to use any of the element between H1 and H6 in an HTML page. So one thing that you need to understand is that the higher you go, the smaller the heading, and the lower you go, the bigger the heading. Right. So the next thing that we need to do is to write a paragraph, and our paragraph, to write a paragraph we have to start with a P element. So we're going to say this is the car trading website, like that, and you end your paragraph like that. And now we need to move on to a break line. So the next step that we're going to do is to write to start with a paragraph. As you know that every sentence has to start with a paragraph. So we're going to say, for more information contact the following. Contact us on cell number, we're going to say 097 XXX, like that, and then we're going to say email address, we're going to say car, we're going to say car at gmail.com as an example, and we're going to end our paragraph like that. So notice that you want to have a cell number to break below this content. So what we're going to do is we're going to say we're going to insert break line here, and you want also your email to break below the cell number like that, and then you save. And when you save, okay, when you save, when you go here, you're going to notice that this is how the information look like. There's a bit of a space to show that this is another paragraph here. Alright, so let's go back. So the next step that we are going to do is, obviously you need to align the content of the website. To align the content of the website, you use an align property within the opening tag of an HTML element, and you can center it. Another thing that you need to do is you obviously need to add the background color of your web page. In order to add the background color of your web page, you need to use a property bg color, then is equal to double quote. Within the double quote, you need to put the value. The value is the color that you want to be the background. So in this case, my preferred color that I'm going to put red. Alright, like that. then I'll save. And when I go back to my page and refresh, notice that my content, my heading is aligned to the center, and my background color has changed to red. So the next step that we are going to do is you would want now to insert the image in an HTML page. Okay, in order to insert an image in an HTML page, our image, it will be a car image. Okay, so we're going to say Toyota Mark X 2010, like that. Alright, so now we are going to add an image element, which is a Toyota image. So an image has got an element called img and has got an attribute which is CRC, which has got also the value, okay, in a double quote. So CRC, which is source, specifies the name of the image or the location of the image. So in this case, I have an image called the car with the file extension PNG. There are different types, there are different file extension for image. There's JPEG, PNG, GIF, etc., etc. So the unit of measure that we're going to use, I'm going to use percentage. There's pixel, there's pixel, there's point, there's percentage, and then that I use in an HTML element. Alright, and the height, I'm going to put 10% for this tutorial. We're going to look at the unit of measure at a later stage. And now when we go back to our web page and refresh the page, notice that we have got our image and Toyota Mark II. Let us just align this properly. In order to add life to this, we need to add a break line here. We also need to add a break line here, so that this content can come below the other, like that. Alright, like that. So we have got Toyota Mark II 2010, Toyota Mark X, another break line here, 2010, like that. So if we go and refresh our page, we have got Toyota Mark X 2010 and the image of the car. Basically, this is how simple you can design your website and how you can structure your content. Your HTML file must be to the same folder with your image that you want to display on your web page. This is how you can insert your image on an HTML element. Now another thing that we have mentioned in our outline is we have to put an horizontal line. So how do you put an horizontal line? Is we're going to use an empty element, which is HR, and then we're going to put a break line so that it starts below our heading. So HR is a horizontal line. It will draw a line across the web page, or because we have added a break line, it will draw the image, it will draw the line below our car trading title website, like that. Boom, we're done. So this is how you can structure the content of the website. Thank you for watching step-by-step web development interactive learning hands-on experience for Softmari. Please share this video and subscribe. These videos are intended for individuals who do not have the opportunity to attend the physical class about web development. These videos will teach you from zero to an expert level. You do not need to have any programming background for you to learn about how to program. Softmari YouTube channel will provide you with that platform. If you have got questions with regard to any of this, you are free to comment out. Thank you very much and stay safe.